5 Vedic mathematics tricks for rapid calculations. These simple mathematics tricks can save you a lot of your time. So let us get to it right away. Trick number 1. Multiply any two-digit number in just 3 seconds. To multiply any two-digit number rapidly, we just need to follow these simple steps. Let us understand via an example. I am taking two numbers 41 and 63. To multiply them, let us first mark 3 dashes in the answer column. We start by multiplying the last digits of both the numbers and write it in the unit column. That is 1 and 3. So we get 3. Then we cross multiply the numbers and add them up. So 4 into 3 plus 6 into 1, which gives us 12 plus 6, 18. So we write 8 in the tens digit and carry 1 forward. Now the final step is to multiply the tens digit of both the numbers, 41 and 63. So we multiply 6 and 4 and we get 24. We then add the carry over 1 to 24, so it becomes 25. Here the final answer is 2583. It's that simple. Hope you get it. Moving forward to our next trick, trick number 2. Multiply any number with 5 easily. To understand this, let us take an example and try multiplying 26548 with 5. The normal method is quite lengthy. So instead, what we can do is divide the number by 2 and add a 0 in the end. Yes, and that's the answer. For this number, when we divide 26548 by 2, we get 13274. And after adding a 0, our final answer is 132740. This method works because in reality we just divide and multiply 2 to the number, so the numbers does not change. And hence, instead of multiplying the number by 5, we multiply the number by 10, that is, we add a 0 at the end after dividing it by 2. Try it out for yourself. Moving forward to the next trick, trick number 3. Calculate the square root of any two-digit random number in 3 seconds. Let us take any two-digit random number, say 43. To find the square root of 43, that is 43 to the power 2, we take 3 dashes. In the right dash, we take the last digit of the number and square it. So here we get 3 into 3, that is 9. Here we will write all the answers in our dashes in the two-digit number format. So we write 9 as 09. In the left dash, we take the first digit of the number and simply square it. So we get 4 into 4, that is 16. Now for the middle and the remaining dash, we multiply both the numbers first and then we multiply it again with the square, that is 2. So here we get 4 into 3 into 2, that is 24. So our final dash looks somewhat like 16, 24, 09. Now we just need to add the first and the last digit of every dash to arrive at the final answer. Here 1 is copied as it is, then we add 6 and 2, so we get 8. And then we add 4 and 0, so we get 4. And 9 is brought down just as it is. So our final answer is 1849. It might look tough at first, but if you practice only 2 to 3 sums, I'm sure you'll forget the traditional method. Trick number 4. Find the LCM of the given numbers easily. Suppose there are 5 numbers given as 2, 3, 5, 15 and 30. We will directly look at the biggest number. In this case, it's 30. Now we will check if all the other numbers divide the biggest number, leaving no remainder. If that's the case, then our biggest number is simply the LCM of the given numbers. So in this example, all the numbers divide 30, leaving no remainder. So 30 is the LCM of the given numbers. Now you might be thinking how to find the LCM if the biggest number does not divide all the numbers, right? But don't worry, I'll explain it to you via another example. Let us take a look at these numbers 2, 10, 15, 20 and 30. In this case, the biggest number is 30 and all the numbers divide 30 directly except for 20. So we can ignore all the numbers that divide 30 directly and just need to convert 30 in the smallest number by multiplying any number to it so that it is divisible by 20. We can multiply 30 by 2 and we will get the LCM as 60 as it is now divisible by both 30 as well as 20. It's simple, isn't it? Trick number 5. Multiply any one-digit number with 9 easily. Just count the fingers in your hands from 1 to 10 from left to right. Then suppose we need to multiply 9 with 6. So let us get to the 6th finger and count the number of fingers on either side of this finger. We have 5 fingers on our left and 4 fingers on our right. So the answer is simply 54. Let's take another example and multiply 9 with 8. I'm giving you 3 seconds to solve this. 3, 2, 1. The answer is 72. We simply get to our 8th finger and notice that there are 7 fingers to our left and 2 fingers to our right. So the answer is 72. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our channel for more such tricks and shortcuts. And don't forget to share it with your friends. Goodbye.